They promise you riches. They flash Lamborghinis, designer watches, and endless beach vacations. And all you have to do to be like them is trust them with your money. Behind the sales pitches lies a world where dreams are sold and countless dreams are shattered. The Forex market is not the scam, but the predators circling it are. The danger is not the market. The danger is the people who trick you. The scam is the illusion of fast, guaranteed riches. Over the next 12 revelations, we will expose the tricks, the traps, and the lies designed to steal your future. This is 12 secrets to avoid Forex scams and protect your money. These 12 secrets will protect you from getting trapped. Stay with me because secret number 3 has exposed more fake traders than any other. Secret number 1. If they promise easy money, run no. Anyone guaranteeing daily profits is lying. Trading involves risk, period. In the real world, there are no guaranteed daily profits, no magical formulas that print cash overnight. In Nigeria, stories abound of Forex King from Instagram who vanished after collecting investors' funds. Trading is a game of risk, discipline, and patience. The moment someone says it's safe, simple, or effortless, that's your signal to walk away. Secret number 2. Don't buy overpriced magic courses. Across Africa, many mentors sell $100 WhatsApp classes that recycles free YouTube content, monetizing hype instead of skill. These scammers make more from selling courses than trading. Real traders show results, not sales funnels. A genuine trader doesn't need to sell you a dream. They prove their skills through transparent performance, not market hype. If someone's fortune depends on your course payment, not the market, that's your biggest red flag. Secret number 3. Never trust screenshots alone. Those screenshots of $10,000 profits on Instagram can be faked. That's the same trick used by scammers from Dubai to Detroit to attract new praise. That picture of massive profits on the phone or laptop screen can be faked in Photoshop within minutes. Always ask for verified broker's statement. Real trading results are not measured in Photoshop. They are backed by verified broker statement or audited accounts. If someone cannot provide transparent proof beyond a screenshot, assume it's fabricated. Don't let digital smoke and mirrors steal your hard-earned money. Secret number 4. Regulated brokers. Unlicensed offshore brokers often target Africans with fake UK addresses. A global scam tactic where traders lose everything once the broker disappears. Always check if a broker is licensed by a trusted financial authority. If not, that's a red flag. Unregulated brokers can vanish overnight, taking your funds with them. If you cannot find proof of licensing or the broker avoid the question, that's your red flag. Walk away. Your safety comes first. Secret number 5. Be wary of signal sellers. You have seen the Telegram group boasting about 99% win rates, right? Here's the reality. Those numbers are fake. Telegram and WhatsApp signal group that promise 99% win rate have drained savings from Lagos to Nairobi. They lure you in with promises of effortless profit, then either vanish or keep you hooked with cherry-picked trades. No one can predict the market with near-perfect accuracy. If they claim to, it's not expertise, it's a trap. If this content has opened your eyes so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Secret number 6. Try demo trading first. Just as pilots train before real flights, smart traders from Johannesburg to London use demo accounts before risking real cash. Practice with demo before risking real cash. If they tell you to skip demo, they want your losses. A demo account lets you test strategies with zero risk, building confidence and skill. If someone tells you to skip demo trading, that's a major warning sign. Why? Because your losses becomes their profit. Protect yourself. Master the practice environment before stepping into the real market battlefield. Secret number 7. Research withdrawal policies. Thousands of Nigerians have cried out on social media after brokers blocked withdrawal, echoing the same global trap where deposits are instant but payouts never come. Scam brokers let you deposit fast but make withdrawal nearly impossible. They make depositing your money lightning fast, but when it's time to take profit out, they suddenly vanish behind excuses, hidden fees, or endless delay. A legitimate broker makes withdrawal clear, simple, and reliable. If accessing your own money feels like pulling teeth, you are not in the market. You are in a scam. Secret number 8. Watch out for affiliate schemes. From Port Harcourt to Accra, many Forex communities turned out to be pyramid schemes, just like the other global multi-level marketing disasters. If the so-called opportunity pays more from recruiting friends and families than it does from actual trading, congratulations, you have stepped into a pyramid scheme. These setups thrive on constant recruitment, not market skill. Remember, real trading is all about strategy and discipline, not building down lines. If it smells like a multi-level marketing, just walk away. Secret number 9. There is no secret strategies. African youth are sold secret formulas in online seminars, yet Wall Street pros know there's no market, only skill, risk management, and data works. Think about it. If a method could constantly generate massive profit, why would they sell it for a few $100? They would be using it themselves to quietly build wealth. Real traders rely on discipline, research, and tested methods, not magic shortcuts. If it sounds too good to be true, it's not a strategy, it's a bait. Secret number 10. Avoid pressure tactics. Last slot remaining is a favorite line from Lagos to London. Scammers use urgency everywhere to make victims pay before thinking. Scammers love to shout, "Limited spots left, invest now." But that's not trading advice. It's pure marketing psychology, designed to trigger fear of missing out. Anytime you feel pushed to act immediately, pause. That urgency is not about your success. It's about their paycheck. If they can't wait, neither should you. The next secret shows how a 2-minute Google search can save your life savings. Secret number 11. Always check reviews and forums. Google searches have saved countless South Africans and Nigerians from fake brokers because scam victims worldwide always leave digital footprints. Always check reviews and forums before trusting any Forex platform or mentor. A quick search of the company's name plus the word scam can reveal stories from real victims. If multiple people are shouting online about lost money, fake promises, or shady practice, take it seriously. Scammers rely on silence. Victims rely on you listening. Protect yourself. Do your homework first. The final secret ties it all together. It's the mindset that keeps winners safe worldwide. Secret number 12. Trust experience, not lifestyle. Globally, true traders are low-key and data-driven, while in Africa, the loudest Forex billionaires often end up trending for fraud or arrest. Real traders don't flex sport cars on Instagram. They focus on risk management, not clout. Real traders don't waste time posing with sport cars or rented mansions on Instagram. They know trading is about discipline, patience, and above all, risk management. Genuine success in Forex rarely looks glamorous. It looks consistent and calculated. So when choosing who to trust, ignore the clout-chasing influencers and follow the traders who value skill over show. The Forex market is not the baddie, it's the people. The scam thrives on greed, urgency, and fake promises. Now, you know how to spot them. The choice is yours. Either you chase illusions or you master reality. Because the real wealth is not found in rented cars or fake screenshots. It is found in knowledge, discipline, and truth. Stay alert. Stay sharp. The scam won't stop. In the end, Forex is like fire. In the right hand, it's powerful. In the wrong hand, it burns. The market is not evil. It's neutral. The scam is the dream of getting rich quick, and scammers know exactly how to sell it. Share this video to protect others from getting scammed. Subscribe for more exposés on different life hustles.